It's morning. It's morning, and we slept the night away. I'm finna go outside and do some plant shit today. I think I was trying to rhyme. It didn't work. Okay. All right. So this morning, I'm going to transplant my outside on the porch pothos to a more outside planter by our gate, because they've been flourishing outside more than I can say for my poor plants on the in. The difference between planting them outside and inside, total 180. They just thrived outside, not so much inside. So I'm still learning about plants. Bear with me. So I'm going to switch the ones from outside to another location, take these and put them outside and see if there's a difference. Will they flourish more because they're dying on the inside, or I'm killing them? One or the other. Most likely I'm killing them. I did so good before. I don't know. I think I lost my green thumb. What's happening? These are my other plants in my office. I'm trying to entice them to grow with money. I don't know if that's gonna happen, or I need a money tree. I don't know. All right, here are my other plants that I have. I need to get they've been flourishing in here. So all I have is this moss in here and then some perlite at the bottom, and I just water it, and they've been growing. This poor baby, like, she had a friend, a cousin, a sister. They were sisters, and she died off right there. I got this off of Amazon. I love it, but she's not flourishing here, and I don't want her to die no more because I love the color. So we're gonna have to move her. And yes, I already started decorating for Halloween. Don't come for me. Here's my plants that have been outside. As you can see, look at the flourishness of it all. Flourishness? I don't know if that's a word, but they have flourished. They were not like this when I first put them in there. They are covered by the Lord. No, I'm just kidding. They are covered by, I tried to keep them in the shade so it wouldn't be like hot because the sun is ridiculous. They've been outside for months now, and I think it's time to move them because they're getting a little crowded. Here's my other plants. They are in the second, I had to take it down because you really couldn't see it, but this is my second plant that's been outside. Look at her flourish. She's flourishing more than the one y'all saw inside the house. Look how this one has grown being outside. So I'm gonna let her stay here. I gotta water them today, but look at, I don't even know what these are called. If anybody knows, let me know. I spray painted this bronze color because I was like, I love this color, and I wanted to shine, hush, I do I. Anyway, so I'm eating a banana, but also after I eat this banana, I'm putting it in this water so that I can use that banana water to feed my plants, because I heard that's good for your plants. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what I heard. Another thing about me, I love finding different plant pots. I found this teapot at a thrift store because, if y'all don't know, I love to thrift. And I was like, this is so cute. And I was like, I'm not gonna use it for an actual teapot, but I want to display it, okay? Because I didn't want this in the cabinet, because how cute it is, okay? How cute is she? Come on now, look at her. So I was like, let me put a plant in it, okay? All right, before I go outside, we must put on what? Sunscreen. Okay, people, and this is what I use. I use Black Girl sunscreen. We need sunscreen every day. Okay? Every day. Little Einsteins, I said we're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, running through the sky. Little Einstein. All right, lovely people, here are my tools of the day. I'm going to use the rest of this shake and feed. I added some root and grow to my water bottle that I'm going to take with me. I have my little shovel and my gloves. I have this refrigerator. I bought it for my mom. It died. And I was like, well, I love how it looks. And I was like, I don't want to get rid of it. Because, you know, it's cute. So it's on my back porch right here. But also, I use it for, it's so dirty, y'all. Excuse the mess. But I use it for all my plant tools. I just keep my plant stuff in here because, I don't know, I just wanted to keep it. So I was like, you be useful. Hide all my stuff. So it has a lot of dirt and stuff. I got some stuff in here. And then my root and stimulator, I keep that in there. And just empty cans and bottles that I use to water stuff with. So yeah. So y'all, I thought my mom killed this plant, but look at God. It's green. Look at the greenery. Now this was one of the ones at Lowe's that was already marked down. And I think this was this a hibiscus? Yeah. So I thought it was dying because look at it. I was like, it's dead, mama. But look at it. The plant said, oh, no, ma'am. We're flourishing. Okay. This was also in the clearance section at Lowe's. She's getting there. She's getting there. I think I'm going to repot her, but I need more dirt for both of them to repot them and put them in a bigger container and get all these dead stems off. So as you can see, I have some plants in here. Look at them flourishing. I didn't even know these were in here because I thought the plant died. So that's why I put the pothos in here. And now, look at this. I leave it alone, it comes back. So this pothos, I just set outside because I was like, well, let me see how it grows because they said pothos can grow outside. So I put this in here probably a couple of months ago, and look at it. It has flourished, and all I did was had it in the shade, let nature water it. I would come water it once in a while, like once a week, and it has grown so much. Like, again, better than the ones in the house. Alright, as you see, my mother put some fake flowers in here, and we're going to change that. There's another one over there, so I'm going to see what it's going to look like. Alright guys, I'm done, but I moved it to here so they can look more uniformed this way. And so far so good. And then over here we had a little bit more because it was more in there than I thought. I thought it was just 2 plants, but it's actually 3. So I put 2 in here and 1 in the other one. Let's see how this grows and flourishes, but I'm excited. Looks really nice. And then we have the trellis here, so maybe it'll grow onto that and then have a natural fence because that's really what I want. And yeah. All right guys, we are done for today. This was my exercise for the day. I got sidetracked repotting plants and stuff, but I got most of it done, so yay for me. So now I'm not gonna throw away my mom's fake flowers because she bought them. So I'm gonna put them at her doorstep and like here, wherever you want to put them. But not at the front gate, okay? And we want some real live plants so we can have some. I I don't know what I'm looking for, but we just want live plants. Okay. Hope y'all enjoyed this little vlog of me planting, gardening, all that good stuff. And I shall see you on the next video somewhere over the rainbow.